You know, street photography should be hard work. It's fun hard work, 100%, and it should be treated as work. There are two ways to shoot street photography, as far as I'm concerned, in terms of approach. We're going to shoot for a bit, then we'll have a little bit of a chat. Let's get into character.
Can I get a picture of your shot?
Okay.
Right, so there's two ways to approach shooting street photography, in my experience. And I'd hazard a guess that the majority of photographs that we see out there on social media are taken by photographers using this first approach. And this first approach is what I call waiting for the stars to align. So the photographer will head out onto the street with their camera, and it's kind of like they're hoping for the best, or rather what they're doing is they're waiting for something to happen. They're waiting for something on the street to happen that they can photograph. That's kind of the realm of the photographer who's always talking about how it didn't happen for me today. But let's shoot a little bit more, and then I'll talk about the second approach, which is my approach for what it's worth.
Get a picture. I'm waiting for my son. I'm waiting for my son. Can I get a picture of you in here? Lovely. Thank you.
Okay, so the way that I approach street photography when I'm out, it's like this. If it's too comfortable, I'll throw a spanner in the works. I mind for quality. What do I mean by that? Well, if I'm out on a street corner, for example, nothing's happening, I'll ask myself the question, what is it I'm not seeing here? I dig deep, I push it. I'm the same when I'm shooting portrait work or I'm shooting for clients. I want to uncover more of what's here right now. And if it's uncomfortable, good, that's where the juice is. You'll get photographers who'll support you in your limitations. You know how it is? It's like, oh yeah, I get like that sometimes. If it's not happening for me, I'll hang it up for the day. It's not quite working. Try again next week. My approach is this. If I'm feeling it, I shoot. If I'm not feeling it, I shoot. You know, when I am feeling it and I'm out and I'm shooting, it's kind of easy. I've said that before on this channel. I don't think I've ever really learnt that much from when everything clicks, from taking good photographs. I learn by making mistakes. I learn from putting in the work. And work doesn't necessarily mean the amount of time you're out either. It means challenging yourself when you're out to go that one step further, to look what's going on here and now, right now, rather than hoping for the best, hoping that the streets are going to do the work for you.
Come closer then. Portrait, portrait. Perfect. Give me Monday and then I'll send them.
Okay.
Cheers guys. Take care.
Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already. Hit the like button. Don't turn it off here. If you've not subscribed, I promise you we've got some really juicy stuff coming up. The more people that subscribe to this channel, the more time I'll have to create quality content. So leave a comment, ask a question. Don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram account. So I'm at The Street Thief, and I'm also at I Dare to Shoot, which I run with my partner Katie. Some great stuff going over there, guys, in the community. It's really heading in the right direction. You're really going to love it if you're not following us already over there. And be sure to hashtag your images, I Dare to Shoot. And the Dare community, if you challenge yourself, it is a little bit of a spanner in the works. In a good way. It's fun. And listen, this is my way of doing things. It's not the right way, it's just a way. Like I said, street photography should be hard work, but most of all, it should be fun. Don't forget that. Right, out.